shoot day. So we have left like 7 early in the morning and we woke up by 6. So आप लोग देख सकते हैं I'm still in my night wear and yes, so it's gonna be like a real shoot day and I'm gonna take you guys along through the whole process. Today it's Mahashivratri, so we are hoping everything will be empty and the spaces, you know, won't be much crowded, so it'll be more convenient for us to shoot. And yes, you guys are gonna see the whole thing that happens for shoots and all of that, so I'm gonna just take you guys along. So we are like on the way and we are like not even wasting our time. हम music finalize कर रहे हैं ताकि जो concept सोचा है and then the idea, you know, it's easy to pull it off, you know. So yes, finalize your music before you decide to shoot your videos. It'll just help you to decide the, you know, according to the beats and all of that, you can decide what to do and what not to do. So pro tip, shit, my hands look so weird without the nails done. Whatever, just ignore them. Wedding photo shoots. Oh my god, ये तो भी फिर भी decent है, अभी ये पूरा messy हो जाएगा.
The famous tent, a savior.
I look funny. So we are at our first location and obviously I've quickly changed because time nahi hai, and this is the famous white library and since I'm going to be shooting, Shrujal is going to take over the vlog and हम लोग का setup already like mess हो चुका है यहाँ वहाँ सब कुछ. So yeah, the camera is right there. I'm going to be shooting here. Whoops. I'm just checking the video.
So what transition are you doing?
We are doing double transition and I will show you guys the final video once it's edited and once it's shot.
Multiple takes happening to get that perfect shot. So we always take multiple shots for the safety. If one doesn't work out, might be another will work out. So she's removing her shoes right at the same place so that this transition comes the smoothest.
Let go and change. Quick change. Ta-da! Let's close this off. And keep it at a side so it doesn't like disturb anyone. And isn't it looking good?
Now she's going back again at the same position. You don't need the bag now, or do you need the bag?
No, I
the
don't.
bag is gone.
The bag is gone.
Oh god. Start. What are you doing?
Just checking out the clips because you know sometimes हमें ऐसा लगता है कि proper आ रही है but नहीं आती है. So we're just checking out.
So we are on to the next location for the next video.
It's something different that we are trying. We also don't know कि ये video कैसी turn out होगी because it's you guys will see because it's something very like for the first time वाली thing. So we're gonna try it and जब तक edit नहीं होगी तब तक पता नहीं चलती. Most of the transition videos are like these कि इसमें editing के बाद ही पता चलता है कि outcome आ रहा है कि नहीं. So you just have to like hope for the best and give your best. So we are trying this like a testing thing because we have more colors. So ये हम पहला वाला try कर रहे हैं because yellow color is not gonna look here like good here, not gonna look good here. We know that, so we're trying one color first and then we'll see what to do, what not to do.
तो देखो ये लिट अप करके मैच स्टिक फेंकनी पड़ेगी ना
Yeah,
साइड में, तो
I'll throw it.
मेरी तरफ से just everything is going out of the frame, huh? मतलब
Yeah, because the air is this side,
हाँ.
so I have to keep it maybe this side then.
They'll come on you.
See, always you should try and test. आपको बहुत कुछ पता चलता है, you know. Okay, now we have more colors
A quick change.
and a little touch up.
Wearing a nice summer printed fit. Teeth.
It's so hot, guys. It's so hot. Like, see, मतलब ऐसा छाव के लिए हम इधर उधर हो रहा है.
So our setup is right there. We have requested our driver to stand with the setup because our phones are there.
So we are back at our location, and yeah, we have to be very quick because yeah, obviously smoke bomb. Not everyone can be okay with it, so we have to be very quick because before हमें कोई like यहाँ से निकाल दे.
But you know we forgot the place.
Yeah,
We
so we
forgot a
didn't
spot.
mark a spot.
But
We should always mark a spot, but we'll manage, you know.
I was watching at the previous video.
Yeah.
Cool. चलो we start.
Okay, so there's a little mess that has happened here. हमारे पास like 2 green smoke bombs थे and we tried to take a shot in that, but we didn't like get a shot, like a smooth shot. So now we are in a hunt of the color bombs and I hope कि हमको यहाँ पे मिल जाए. But yeah, I hope the video turns out really good as we have thought, because all these efforts then will be worth it. And yes, so let's see if we get the smoke bomb and we will reshoot. This is the only part that I don't like, the reshoot part, but okay, we're gonna do it since I'm like ready. So yeah. So like there's already a shoot happening here, so that is why we are facing a little issues in shooting and all of that. But I've quickly managed to like change and like, you know, like that's the whole scenario. And that's my phone there. So yeah, we're just trying to take a little shot here and yeah, figure it out. But it's so exhausted. It's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Imagine करो कितनी धूप है यहाँ पे. But yeah, now we'll finally take the video and a lot of chaos. छुट्टी के दिन भी. Actually छुट्टी का दिन है इसलिए maybe they have kept a shoot here and I asked them कि क्या shoot चल रहा है. There's some web series shoot going on. Okay, so update. Now हमारी third video pending है. So we are looking for a location to shoot that. And ये वाली, oh my god, like I'm like thank god कि I think video आ गई है. Let's hope now after editing we'll see the final outcome. And it took a lot. I thought by 12 or 1 we would wind up, and now it's like 1:30. 1:30. Oh my god. But still, let's hope that we'll wind up by 2:30. Because 6 बजे से उठे हैं, no more stamina. देखा, चुपचाप जाके फॉलो करो, सब कुछ शेयर करो, मेरा कंटेंट बाय. Struggling because it's too harsh light, and since it's a छुट्टी, everyone is on their family time and all of that. So especially beaches and all पे ज़्यादा भीड़ है. बाकी सब work space में it's less. But
कितने लोग फिर.
my stand is आवारा वहाँ पे and there are so many people now. We don't know how to like ask them to.
She's learning the step. You have audience. Chalo, we'll start.
Another spot because यहाँ पे there was very harsh धूप and oh my god, like too tired. But let's hope again that we get a location and we quickly finish it off. Yay!
Go, 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 go. No, listen, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead and flip it, Rajat.
Oh my god!
बोट पे तो सब हाथ पे खा लेते हैं.
Really? ये है क्या? It's okay. Very good. What are we doing?
So there's no battery in my phone. It's like dead. So cable laga ke the car is right here and we are trying to shoot it.
Oh my god.
Despite it because it's getting too late and we need to finish this off.
And हम पोर्टेबल भी नहीं लाए हैं, ना दूसरा फ़ोन लाए हैं. कैमरा में बहुत हार्श आ रहा है, so this is the option.
This is the jugaad.
जुगाड़.
Okay, let's start. So the technique that we were trying, जो कार में केबल लगा के फ़ोन चार्ज करने की, I don't know why and how it's not working. The phone is continuously getting switched off. So abhi we have like took a break. Like we already shot one shot in this outfit, but multiple shots in this outfit, but we didn't get the shot because the phone was constantly getting switched off. And now we are trying to like figure out a way to charge it. Abhi we are trying our best, and it's too hot. So let's see, like we're trying and nahi hua to then we are done with our 2 videos and the third one will be pending. So let's try and see for the last time if it works. If it doesn't, we are heading home. Exhausted. बहुत गर्मी है. Like मैं अगर मेरा actual frustration बताऊँ तो बहुत गर्मी है guys. मतलब मैं नहा चुकी हूँ. Like for real मैं नहा चुकी हूँ and यहाँ पे बहुत धूप. So good luck to us for shooting it again. And let's hope कि आ जाए video this time. Send some love.
This video was a very real struggle, guys. She has changed her look and the prop is skipping rope. And here we are shooting with the same jugaad.
Okay, we done.
We done? Change?
Change.
Okay, fine.
You can see I'm literally sweating. Please don't zoom up. I'm literally sweating.
Beautiful location.
मेरी वर्कआउट हो गई, एक्सरसाइज हो गया.
Completely.
So we have like packed almost all of things, and the last thing was this stand, and now there is something that's supposed to be packed, which is me. Since it's Mahashivratri, obviously the main spot. Look at the lion, look at the goddamn lion. Oh my god. Like our last destination is Haji Ali Juice Center and हम अभी खा पी के घर जाएंगे. So yes, that's how we generally shoot. Though आज का दिन थोड़ा ज़्यादा struggle वाला रहा. इतना इतना स्ट्रगल नहीं होता है हमारा, थोड़ा स्मूथली हो जाता है, लाइक क्विकली हो जाता है. बट टुडे वाज अ डे ऑफ टेस्टिंग अस, सो yes, that's how it went, and let's hope that all the videos turn out good. I'll show you guys the outcome, and obviously you can watch it on Instagram as well, because I'm gonna be posting it there. And yes, see you guys until my next vlog. I love you guys. Bye bye. Look at the mess and the beauty. Yay. Another beauty. Two beauties.
Shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and
everybody
toes.
know.
Head, shoulders, knees.
Turn around and bounce, bend, 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 bend.